New G-SHOCK updates. It's been a while for a substantial G-SHOCK update, and here are 5 collections worthy of noting. For 2023, G-SHOCK will be relaunching the Jason with a new designation, G-B001. This is nicknamed the Jason by G-SHOCK fans for its uncanny resemblance to the mask of the horror film icon. This model is a revival of the original DW001 back in 1994. This new Bluetooth version includes swappable bezels and straps, which are also included in the package. This is also a carbon core model. This collection will come in yellow, silver, and gold variants. The peculiar thing about this collection is that the watch can be worn both with or without the bezel. Without the bezel, the special inner case has various treatments to show off, such as this unique iron plating rainbow on the yellow version, brushed finish on the silver, and mirror polish on the gold. These will retail at around $300 bucks. Next is the Chinese New Year model of the MTG line. This MTG-B3000CX bears the same moon surface treatment found in the GM2100 FG. This continues the planetary theme going on with G-SHOCK lately. This MTG will have a sapphire crystal, gold IP treatment, laser etch dial pattern, and red accents that has been a signature of the Chinese New Year models of the brand. This will come with a special commemorative red and gold box. This will retail at $1,200 and due in 2 weeks. Recently, Supreme and the North Face and G-SHOCK collaborated in some really nice looking models using the iconic G-SHOCK colors. These DW6900s are attached to a special strap and paired with specially designed jackets with a watch window for your G-SHOCK. They originally retailed for $188 but are now regularly offered at around $300 online. Fresh off the rumor mill today is the high-resolution image of the next Trantixxii model with a circuit board pattern. This is very similar to the first carbon core square, the DWE5600CC. This new titanium model will have a busier pattern design, laser etch features that's used on the Tron and TVA models, and will be made in Trantixxii titanium. This will retail north of $1,500. And lastly, we now have a better looking image of the new 2023 Frogman that is hyped also as another 30th anniversary model. This version closely resembles an Amazon poison dart frog with its vibrant orange and blue colors. From the body, you can see the stripe patterns, dotted strap, and clear materials. This will have a special engraved 30th anniversary illustration of the poison dart frog. This model is expected to be released in early 2023. Now, special thanks to Morgan PL, G Central, LNW, and the Watch You Seek forum for these amazing images and news. The new Jason includes some really promising visual mechanics, but the wearability after the gimmick is not so pleasing to me. It kind of looks like Duplo and Lego collaborating into something. It just looks childish in design. Now, the aesthetics of the new Chinese New Year MTG is always been pleasing to my eyes. That gold and red combination is just amazing to look at. It's just that I have something against holiday themed watches or anything. It would have been a lot better if it was just a normal release. And that was a shame, and quite honestly, for $1,200, it's kind of a big pill to swallow also for an MTG line. But I'm sure that it's going to be sold out really quick. Now, out of the 5 that we featured, the most probable that I will be getting is the Supreme North Face G-SHOCK collaboration, especially the white one. That's the one that really appeals to me. Although I already have a white G-SHOCK in my collection, this one really strikes as something that's really my style. I like white, and at the same time it has that red Supreme that we all know and love. So that's something that I'm going to wait until the prices go down a little bit more, so that I can pay for it at a little bit less of a premium than it is going for at the moment. I know that many of you will be excited for that new Trantixxii model with the circuit pattern, and that's something that's so nice when you look at probably in person, because of the many different light plate that it's going to create because of that laser etching technology that G-SHOCK's been employing with Tron and TVA. And this one would probably work even more, as its camouflage is a little bit more busier and more intricate compared to the DWE 5600cc, which I also have in the collection. I don't know if I'm going to get that. Maybe in the future if I get it at a very steep discount, but I doubt that it's going to be at a steep discount. It's going to be a very desirable model. Along with that new Frogman, that's also going to be an amazing piece for someone who's collecting Frogmans. That's a must-have for collectors out there. However, that's going to be over $2,000 to get here in our island, so that's going to be highly unlikely that's going to reach into my collection. But nevertheless, those are like really good 5 models that we featured this video, and for sure there's going to be more in the near future. Still the best, still the greatest.